The prepared hemp stalks enter powerful decortication machines, where crushing rollers and mechanical separation systems break apart the woody stalk structure. Stitch events. The cleaned hemp fibers enter a controlled refinement line where mechanical and wet processing systems loosen the remaining The refined hemp fibers enter a specialized cottonization system that mechanically opens, shortens, softens, and separates the bundles.
The prepared warp yarn enters massive industrial looms where blue warp threads interlace with lighter weft yarns at extraordinary...
See this cluster near the selvage? That's a repeated twill irregularity and a stain. Got it. We'll isolate that section before washing.
The washed denim rolls enter a large controlled drying and finishing line where heated air and precision rollers remove